Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Lock Screen and Wallpaper. Following that, click on Simple Mode and tap on the gray sweater next to Simple Mode to activate it. As you can see, Easy Mode is on. In order to go back to the standard one, go into Devices Settings and click on Exit Simple View. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!